everyone, Myra here and welcome back to another video. For today, we're going to play around with makeup and we're going to play around with colors, specifically the color green. I used the Beauty Glazed Uranus palette for this look and I'm excited to show you how I did this. So without further ado, let's begin.
So to start off, I already have my base on and brows are already done. Don't worry, all products will be listed down in the description box. So with the Uranus palette by Beauty Glazed, first shade that I will take is this green matte shade and I'll be putting that on my crease area. After building up the intensity, I'm just going through the edges and blending it out. Next, I'm putting a concealer on the center of my lids for my cut crease. After spreading the concealer all over my lids, I will then take this darkest shimmery shade in the palette. Then I'll be placing that shade on the outer corner of my lids. Then I'll be taking this light shimmer shade right here and I'm placing it in the center of my lids using just my fingers. Then using my pinky finger, I'm taking this yellow golden shimmer shade and I'm placing that on the inner corner of my lids. Now going back to the matte shade that I used in my crease area, I'm taking it in a flat shader brush and I'm using that to intensify that line over my cut crease. Using a small fluffy brush, I'm taking that green matte shade down to my lower lash line. I'm also taking that shimmery yellow golden shade and placing that on the inner third of my lower lash line. Next, I'm putting on a liner, then mascara and falsies. I'm also lining my waterline with a dark brown Kohl eyeliner. I'm done with the eyes. Now let's move on to the face. For my contour, I'll be using this Wet n Wild contouring palette. I'm also using the same product to contour my nose. Next, I'm taking this Vice Aura blush in the shade Shala. I failed to show it here, but after the blush, I also applied a highlighter using the Vice Aura Glow highlighter in the shade Splendid. For my lips, I'm using this Vice Phenomenal Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade IZKERAVU.
Did you enjoy this video? Well, I'm going to make another look from this palette. So be sure that you are subscribed and also hit the bell button to be notified whenever I upload new videos. You may also follow me on my other social media accounts. I'm Myra Paneda on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye!
No, no, no.